So in that way, a damage of life and property will occur due to the earthquake. So in that way, property will get damaged. If we see this damage of house, this house get collapse, okay, due to this earthquake. So here these are the effects of earthquake. I again repeat, which are the effects: destruction of infrastructure, that is building, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Also the change in direction of the flow of rivers and huge loss of life and property. So here we complete the first disaster, that is the earthquake. We see what is the earthquake, how this earthquake will be occurred, and what are the effects of earthquake. Okay. So here we see the next disaster, that is the flood. Okay. Here uh, if we see these pictures, you see what type of damage will occur due to these floods, heavy floods or deluge. So this here we see how the floods will occur. So frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world in the floods. So it is the most, or frequently means again and again, such type of disaster occur due to heavy rainfall in the various part of the world. That is, if we see, if there, we know our earth surface is covered by mostly with the water. Okay. So if there is overflow of such water bodies takes place at certain places, so such type of floods will be occurred. So it is frequently occur means because we know in each every and year there is a rainy seasons, and due to this rainfall in certain condition or certain places, what happened, heavy rainfall occurred, and overflow of water bodies get take place, and due to this flood will occur. So due to this reason, the frequently occurring natural disaster is a flood. So due to excessive rain, what happened exactly in the floods? So here, due to excessive rains in the same places, a river overflows its banks. Okay, I again explain the floods. Wait a minute. So here we continue how the flood occurred. So here what happened? Due to excessive rain in the same places, a river overflows its banks, causing a flood. So here, see this in your textbook also, how the flood will occur due to excessive rains in the same places. A river overflows in the banks. Banks means side of that river. Okay, causing a flood. The water drainage system in a big cities fall short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in a choking of gutters and drainage lines. So water overflows on the roads and surrounding areas and even enters nearby the house. So here actually what happened when the flood will occur? Here heavy rainfall occurred. Okay, because of excessive rain means in the large amount of rain will fall. Due to this heavy rainfall, in some places what happened, the which is the place which is placed on the banks of the river. So what happened, the rivers when get overflow, then what happened, the banks causing a floods, banks get flows uh, by leaving its limit. Okay, here the overflows of river takes place, and this process of overflow of river we call as a flood. Okay, this overflow resulting in the flood. So in cities, how this such type of flood will occur? Here, the water drainage system in a big cities fall short. Water drainage means which carries the drainage water from all the buildings towards the outside the city. Okay, so this system will get falls short. Means size of the system will get short because there is excessive water produced due to this heavy flood, and this drainage pipelines or the system will get choke up. That is, due to this heavy water or amount of water increased, there is a choking of gutters and drainage lines takes place, and due to this choking of drainage lines, the whole water get overflow on the roads. Means these water get comes out from these drainage lines and get spread on the road, and whole the road and surrounding areas get covered by this water, and also this water get entered into the nearby houses. Means the houses which are near at that places, whole the water get entered in that houses. So in this way this flood will be occur. I again explain what happened due to excessive rain in the some places. This is the if we see this picture here, what happened, there is excessive rainfall occur, and due to this what happened, whole the rain gets spread on the road. Okay, here due to this excessive, if we see the river bank, what happened with the river bank, if it is the limited area for the flowing of river. Okay, so when there is a excessive rainfall takes place, then what happened with this river bank, this river overflows its banks, means it is a bank of this river, and this water get overflow, these are comes out from the place of these banks, and it gets spread towards the roads or human settlements. So in this picture we see there is a, this water gate comes out from its bank here in this way, because there is a heavy rainfall, and this water get entered in the houses on the road as like. Okay, so here this limited area of this river get expand due to there is a excess water get collected in that river. So bank get overflow, river bank get overflow. So here in big cities what happen, if we see it is a drainage system, it is a covering of this drainage pipelines. Okay, it get choke up or there is overflow, this water is also comes out from this drainage system, the water flows this all through these pipelines, and when there is overflow, then what happen in big cities, water is comes out from that pipelines in that way. Okay, so here in such condition the pipelines will get choke up, that is gutters will get choke up. Okay, if we see this is a pipeline, it get choke up, and due to this water get overflow, and drainage line also get choke up, then water overflows on the roads and surroundings. So in that way, due to this choke up of drainage system or pipelines, this water get overflow on the roads, and also these are entered in the human settlements. Okay, see here how this water pipelines get choke up, certain amounts of substance are get attached to this, with are coming with the flow of this water get attached to this net of this pipelines, and there is a choke up of this pipelines takes place. Okay, so here this water, whole the water gets spread on the road. Okay, here we see the whole the water gets spread on that road in the cities. Sorry, so here in that way we see how the water gets spread due to overflow of this river, and here such situation we called, that is overflow of water on the roads and surroundings. This situation or this process we call this, there will be a flood occur. Okay, so here whole the water get overflows on the roads and surrounding areas, also the water get entered in the houses. Okay, so here we see how the floods will occur. In the next we see what are the effects of flood. Okay, see here in such a way water also get entered in the houses of the human beings. Okay, so in next we see effect of floods. So here see huge loss to life and property takes place due to flood. What happened, lot of living things get float out or get sink into that flood water and get moves, and due to this what happen, number of living things get died due to such floods, also property get damaged, that is houses, buildings, road, it will get damaged due to this heavy flood. Soil erosion means there is a flow of soil particles also takes place with the water flow, and due to this soil erosion takes place. Soil erosion means amount of soil get decreased on the particular surface. So here soil erosion takes place due to this heavy flood. Also we see with the help of pictures, here we see the first loss, that is a huge loss of life and property. Then we see soil erosion also takes place, destruction of standing crops. If we see the crops are grow in a vertical direction in the field. Okay, but due to heavy rainfall these crops also get lie on this earth surface, it will get damaged, it get died. Okay, that is standing crops will get die, or there is a destruction of this standing crops takes place. Then another major effect, that is the after this flood waste up of disease or occurred, after effects means after effects of floods there are spread of disease takes place and epidemic affecting the health of the people means here there are number of types of diseases are occur due to this flood, that is epidemic means the disease which are spread through the physical contact or widespread of an infectious disease, it is called epidemics condition. Okay, so here like spread of diseases and epidemics, these are effect on the health of the people. So in this way we see the effects of the flood. Okay, here these all the effects on the health of human beings.